So one of the common comments that I get when I'm talking to individuals about crypto, right, is they always say, well, Realm, it's easy for you to say you've had success in crypto. It's easy for you to say this. It's easy for you to say that because you've had years in crypto. The thing is this right here. All right. We all have to start somewhere. I had to start somewhere. Do you understand that I just did not wake up and snap my fingers and all of this experience just fell into my lap? 8 years. No, I had to tough it out those 8 years. I had to tough it out those years. Imagine, look, I've been in for 8 years. Imagine my first year. Imagine the first year of 8 years. Imagine the second year of 8 years. Okay, I was once where a lot of you individuals are today. All right? And like I said, some investors, some of the new investors, they come in with their heads on a swivel. All right, they're willing to do their research, but a majority of the new investors aren't. And me, myself, I was one of those investors who did not do the research. Okay, at least in my first year of my 8 years. I came in, I was, investing in a lot of good projects, and I was investing in some newer projects. I was investing into a lot of good projects that you see today, and I was all about trying to flip projects. It was all about trying to, make money overnight. I was all about thinking that, these riches was going to bring me riches overnight. I went through that. But the thing is this, the fortunate thing for me was that I was able to learn from my mistakes in my first year. And my last 7 years, okay, worked wonders for me. All right, so the thing is this, I've been where a lot of individuals are. Okay, I did not just snap my fingers. Like I said, we have to start somewhere, and you have to have patience. If anybody knows anything about patience, it's me. All right, and I'm going to tell you this right here. I know about patience because I've took some L's in crypto. Okay, I've took my fair share of L's in crypto. My first year in crypto was very bumpy. Okay, I've seen a lot of other individuals take L's in crypto. Okay, crypto will not bring you riches overnight. It just does not work like that. Even if you're getting in on a ground floor, okay, which is like at launch, or you getting in below the ground floor, which is what I call pre-sales, you're still going to have to wait some years to get those riches. Okay, and the thing about crypto now is that crypto is becoming, we're going into a different space of crypto. Okay, crypto is kind of becoming regulated in a way because now the market seems to be fighting Capitol Hill. All right, you all know what happened with like the whole Terra thing when Capitol Hill opened their mouth about Terra, and Terra was supposed to be, this stable coin, this kind of a USDT coin, this stable coin. All right, you've seen what happened with that. So the market right now is fighting in Capitol Hill. The market is fighting inflation. The market is fighting a lot of things. Okay, and with that said, okay, we're going into a different phase of crypto, and it's going to make it more difficult. Okay, it's going to make it more difficult for individuals, all right, who is trying to get those overnight riches, okay, to even get returns. Okay, because like I said, how crypto was in the beginning, all right, at least in the meme space. Okay, in the meme space, you can make you can make a lot of money. Okay, but now we're kind of getting regulated to the point where it is making it a little bit harder to do that. Okay, but the thing is now you're going to have even more patience. With that said, you're going to have to even have more patience than before. You're going to have to have more patience than even the investors back when I was investing. You're going to have double the patience now. Okay, because crypto is definitely going to take its time now while we're in the regulation process. Okay, and we also know that the regulation process has started up regardless if anybody wants to admit it now. Okay, and we've already seen everything that happened, like with the terror situation and dealing with Capitol Hill. We've seen that. Okay, and I'm able to tell you all these changes based on experience because, okay, I know what it was like to be able to invest in, these new tokens and, invest in and get good returns, and after the launch and all that stuff. But a lot of things is changing now. They're forcing you. Regulations is going to force you to have patience. Okay, it's going to force you to have patience. All right, and the thing is this right here: you're either going to have patience, or you're going to even get out of crypto. And you have to ask yourself this: if you get out of crypto, what else are you going to get into? Are you going to get into the stock market? And we all know that the stock market is not bringing faster returns, okay, than crypto. We all know that the stock market is not bringing faster returns than crypto. So a lot of individuals are not going there, unless you're going to hop into real estate. And a lot of individuals don't have experience in real estate. They're used to hearing about real estate moguls and stuff on TV and on the radio. A lot of individuals don't know the first thing about real estate. Not even unconventional real estate. And unconventional real estate, creative financing and all that, that's a whole different monster. That's a whole different beast right there. So I know a lot of individuals don't know about conventional versus unconventional. The unconventional is like creative financing and all that. That's a whole different monster right there. So, where are you going to go at? Where are you seriously going to go at? You're going to be forced to have patience in this crypto space. Okay? So I'm just letting you all know right now, and I'm going to make some more videos on this, going further into detail on this also tomorrow. All right? But you have to have patience. You're about to be forced to have patience. Your patience is about to be tested right now. I'm telling you. All right? And like I said with V2, I cannot stop stressing V2 enough. V2 is already getting us there. All right? So now when government regulations kick in, that's going to be a 1-2 punch. I'm not saying this to, I'm not saying this so to have individuals losing confidence. I'm just preparing you. I'm going to prepare you to have patience, so you don't get out here and don't understand what's going on, and you don't think that crypto is worth it, and you leave, okay, and then, or you get out of the space, and then 2-3 years from now, when all of this stuff is taken off, you feeling so much regret. All right, so that's what this video was. This quick video. I want to prepare you all, okay? Because not a lot of individuals out there. You have some good influences out there that's giving a good education, but it seems like it's more critics than positive influences. So, I got to try to educate as much as possible. All right, so I wanted to make this video, okay? And remember, all right, every now is what? Every now is history tomorrow, okay? And you either have patience in this invest in crypto space, or you lose in the end. And the thing is this: we do not want to lose in the end, okay? Because I want all of you all winning out here, okay? I want you all to look back at this in 3 to 4 years and say, man, he was right, and I'm glad I had patience. All right, so this is my video, and I will catch you all on Up and Up. Howdy.